Today at Romeo Tree Service, we're going to be propping this limb so that it doesn't break any further at the union. The union did fail many years ago. You can see right over here where it broke. So we want to prevent that from happening any further. And by putting a prop here, it's going to support the limb. You might say, well, what about this dead limb that's already supporting it? Well, dead limbs are not reliable. They could rot, eventually break. But by putting a 3-inch by 3-inch steel prop from the branch to the ground, in this case it's over concrete, so we're going to need to drill a 10-inch diameter hole, essentially bore a hole into the concrete for the post so we can set it in 2 feet of concrete. And then the post will go up into the limb, and at the top of the post will be a 5/8 inch awl thread that goes right through the branch, and it'll be capped off with a washer and a nut. That'll keep the limb from being blown off of the prop and falling off. We're also propping a second limb over the same porch. It's this one right here. You could tell that due to past lion tailing, taking out all of the branches that are on this leader, it has caused fast growing weak length with poor taper. Due to that, we're going to set a prop on this branch right here so that we can mitigate any weakness that this previously lion-tailed limb has. We're also going to install a third prop on this limb, which will mitigate this union here. You can see that it comes out all this way. It meanders along, once again from lion tailing, and it actually is being supported by this stub right here. And since that stub is dead, once again, a dead limb is unreliable. It may be holding our branch right now, but over time it might become weaker and break. And if it does that, then of course our branch is going to be falling. So we're going to support it with a prop from here down to the ground, once again in 2 feet of concrete. And in this time, a half-inch awl thread going right through the limb with a washer and a nut on top so that the branch does not blow in the opposite direction and fall off of the prop. It keeps it secure. This day of installing supplemental support resulted in the installation of 3 limb props and 1 cable. All of the limb props have a concrete collar at the base so that water doesn't pool at the base of the prop, with an all thread that goes through the limb and a nut and washer at the top so that the limb does not blow off of the prop. Over time, the raw steel props will get an orange patina, a surface rust, which is the preferable color. In addition to the 3 props, we also installed 1 cable with the purpose of mitigating any weakness at this union.